I'll do. Right, I'm going to use that today. It's my Erdigurdy Smooth and Fluffy Flora. Anyway, I'm going to be putting in infill for the window. You know, around the edge. Where are we? There. Where are we now? There, that, you know, on there. Cheers, big bud. Right, okay, so just take off the latches, etc, etc. Right, it's just a case now of having it hold it out. Getting something to hold it open. There you can see colour, look. Well, the last time I messed with a window, it all fell out, didn't it, and smashed all over the floor. Right, to put this strip, I did actually purchase one of these. Seals Direct. They've got a monopoly on them. What basically happens is you put one side at strip in one end, comes out to other, then it runs along the channel. Yeah, and leaves it inside the channel, in theory. I did it in bathroom, but it were all trial and error. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean this first, because there's loads of crap on it. When I put some washing up liquid in the groove, just to help it round, you know, that tool. Looking at this, right, up there, all the staples nearly brand new, and down here from there, all rusty. So needless to say, that's where the water's been getting, isn't it? I'd lift this window up a bit more, I'm scared, after last time. For you, been following me for a while, I smashed the other side, didn't I? Lifted it up too much and it hooked off. Bastard. Anyway, right, I think we're ready. Right, it's a case of washing up liquid. Boom. You don't need that much. Up Daisy. So what I'm going to do is goes like that, you see. But you know what I mean? You know what I mean? There is a spray you can buy from Seals Direct, and it helps it slide. Well, be damned if I'm paying £9. I think that's what it was anyway. Measure how much you're going to need, obviously. Right, I've gone way overboard there with measuring. Regarding this, what happens is it goes in from the back. Yeah, think No, that's the front. It goes from the front like that. That there, it goes in there, comes out the back, and obviously that's where it trails into the thingy. The hardest bit is getting it under. I'm going to take that out just to show you. All of the lot, everything has to go under the rubber, and I'll tell you what it is, it's easier said than done. There, look. There, can you see it all underneath? Right, now what happens is, this goes in there and then goes, well, it gets left. I'm going to have to use two hands, but you get the idea. It goes under there and it pops out there, and then when you go round it leaves it in the channel. There we go. And it's basically a push, but whatever you do, don't let it come out of that channel. These are hard bits here. Look at there, look. Can you see? Brilliant. It's a good tool, but a tad expensive, isn't it, for what it is? It's a bit of lubrication. I made that hard work. Right, it's done. One new insert Onkidora. Right. The reason I've done this is because I've got the blind, same as that side. So, right, but what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to put in that one in. I'm not looking forward to this one at all. Like I say, this tool makes it a lot easier. It really does. So remember, if you ever get one, that goes that way and you go that way. I should have actually gone that way. But anyway, yeah, and it goes through there, and when it pops out there, it'll be underneath when you move it like that.